Guys, this is Pauline Study here again. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is Pauline Study, and welcome here my diligent viewers, my subscribers. Thanks for always standing back to my channel. I'm very happy about that. So today is going to be a complete new thing. So today I'm going to do a hair video, and I'm just going to focus on protective hairstyle. So I've had this protective hairstyle. Hope you can see there are 6 of them. So I've had this protective hairstyle for 3 weeks. It's almost coming to a month. I don't normally plait my hair, like, guys, that pain is it's avoidable. So that's why you'd rather learn how to do these things by yourself and all those kinds of things. So I have had this protective hairstyle for 3 weeks, yes, and I wanted to show you guys the outcome of this protective hairstyle. Like, it's been there for a long time. I've had it since May, and we are in June, and June is coming to an end. So one thing why I want to talk about this is protective hairstyles are really important, especially if you have natural hair. They help you to maintain your hair. So how is that? Like, first, you don't overcomb your hair. Overcombing breaks hair. In case you didn't know, overcombing breaks hair, especially if your hair is not conditioned, and also when you don't like moisturize it, and also try to make it soft so that it's easy for you to comb, and then the curls are not so tight and all that kind of stuff. So when you do protective hairstyles like these, you won't have to keep on combing your hair all the time, and you don't need to break it, okay? Also, it helps restore some places where your hair has like recently broken, because you don't have to comb, you don't have to go and plait all the time, especially if you don't add any kind of fiber iron or those plating materials, so like braids. So it helps you that way. Also, it helps you grow your hair, and that's why I want to do this. That's why I'm here to show you guys. I've had this protective hairstyle for 3 weeks, and normally when I do that, my hair in most cases has grown, guys. I'm not English, but I'm just trying, okay? So I'm going to remove this, and we see how long my hair has grown, and then I'll also show you one very nice easy hairstyle that you can wear to parties, that you can actually manipulate and also make a simple bridal hairstyle. You can go with to class, you can go with to work, anywhere you want to go with it, you can actually wear it. So I'm going to show you. So first is, I'm not going to add anything to this hair because my hair is already oiled, so I don't need to add anything like oil, because too much oil also brings a lot of dandruff, because it clogs up on your pores, and your pores don't sweat, then they also clog, and then at the end of the day it keeps on piling and all that kind of stuff, and the next thing you know is you have some very nice dandruff in your hair. So guys, also, I'm going to start making hair products. I'm going to buy them. Please let me know, please. And the easiest way is either put it in the comments, but the best way is put it in the comment. So I'm going to unplait this here, and they're not so many, so it won't take a long time, because there are only 6 in the head, and they're not so tiny. Yeah, so I'm going to have them out, and then I'll share what has happened, transpired, how it has changed ever since the last 3 weeks when I had it, and we'll do a simple hairstyle. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to use this kind of comb. I've shown you guys this kind of comb before, so I'm going to use this particular part because it has how do I call this? Should I say comb teeth? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to use one of these, and I'm going to start with my right. So I'm going to first try to use my fingers, because these are very like small parts, so I can't necessarily use this. So I remove slowly, and then when I reach in the middle, I can use my hands because it's easy. So we're going to do this. Can you guys see? My hair has grown. So be very careful not to like strain yourself, because if you do this, because your hair can also break slowly by slowly, and also it doesn't benefit you when you hurt yourself because you want to look beautiful. Sometimes it doesn't, because I've been there before, so I'm talking from experience. Okay, so we are done with one side. You can see how it looks like. So we're going to do this whole part, but then I would advise every time you finish to unplait one, you gently comb through so that it's very easy for you to comb the rest of the hair. So you see, my hair has really grown, you people. The hair wasn't like this before I plaited. And this is before rice water. So before I go on, this is normal because you've plaited, and then those that were curled up and couldn't stretch out and a week will go out. So I was saying I did this after I conditioned my hair. Okay, so I conditioned it, then I had it to dry, and then after that is when I plaited. I didn't plait it when it was wet. So guys, you can see so far my hair has grown. Okay, so I finished combing this side. You can see I've combed it so that it's easy for me to comb all the hair when I'm done unplaiting it. So I'm going to unplait all these, and then we can then have a look at how long it has become, and then I'll show you a simple hairstyle that I want you guys to do. This is something that you should all leave your homes when I'm going for this party, I have this hairstyle, I can wear it this way, I can manipulate it, I can also take it to a wedding party. So okay, and I'm saying this because it's very easy, and I think it's like nice on everyone, because I've done it for my mom, I've done it for a friend of mine. She was going for her dinner. So yeah, so we're going to unplait all this, and then I can show you how long my hair has grown, and we can have the hairstyle. So guys, you can see I am feeling so, oh my god, my hair is so long right now. Imagine if I blow dried it, it would be very long. So guys, this is what comes out of our 3 weeks of protective hairstyle of cornrows, and this is what my hair looks like right now. So don't mind these things. This is just the hair that's supposed to like naturally break off, because it's not so into the hair follicle, so it's supposed to break off whether you take it lightly or not. So guys, this is how my hair looks like after my 3 weeks of hair maintenance of cornrows. So this protective hairstyle is really nice, guys. Let me just stand and you guys look at my hair. So yeah, my hair has really grown. Yeah, 3 weeks. So imagine if I'd kept it for 1.5 months, it would really be long. So I'm going to show you guys a certain hairstyle that I was already talking about. Guys, I feel beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys the hairstyle that I was talking about, of having to the hairstyle that you can wear anytime that you want to go to. It's a very simple hairstyle that I would recommend for anyone with long hair. Yeah, if you don't have a long hair, I'll do another video and show how to install an artificial piece. Yeah, normally I'll show you what I normally use, but I rarely wear extensions, guys. I've never worn one, like never. I always have to do my hair. Every time I remember I was going to be a bridesmaid at my auntie's wedding, and I didn't want to wear an extension, so I'm going to comb it backwards like this, and then we'll have this. Okay, so you can put the line where you want it, in the middle, on the side, slanting, whichever style you want. But me, I want it on the side. On the side. Because I love the side so much. Yeah, so... yeah, guys, my hair has grown. So, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Like, tap the subscription box right now. Like, subscribe, hit the button, hit it. Hit the notification button. You need to keep on time for my videos so that you don't miss out on every single new content I have. So after you've done that, okay, we're going to come here like this and divide the hair. Okay, so this hair will be on the side, and then we'll comb this backwards. Make sure this other line is directly the same as this. So most of the times I like to use my fingers, so that after that I use the comb to make it neater. So that's what I've just done. Because my hair is so thick that if I'm to draw a line comfortably, I need to first use my finger, then I can go on and use a comb. Otherwise, I'll end up crying, and imagine me crying while I make a video for you guys. It's weird. And I'm going to comb this here to make it more neat. And then I'll comb this, put it backwards. So for this hairstyle, I'm going to be tying a bun at the back, and then it depends on how long your hair is or how big you want your bun to be. So you can use a bun holder. So I have my manually made bun holder. This here, it's made out of a sock. So what you do, there are also synthetic bun holders that are made. Why I don't like to use them so much is that they easily get spoiled, and also just because I don't wear buns that much, I find it very useless for me to buy. So that's why I basically don't buy them. So this is what's going to happen. Like this, you're going to hold your hair as low as you want, either behind like this, or you hold it from the middle. So I'm going to have to pass the comb to make it neat. Here. Then we'll use this. This is a shrimper folder. And then you hold it. Make sure like it's really neatly held. So I'm going to show you guys. Now this is done. So this is what we're going to do for hair. I need you guys to look so closely. So I'll start with where the longer hair is, where there is much more hair. So I'm going to fold this. I'm going to hold here like this. Like this. Okay? And then I go like this. Hair is long. I'm not necessarily going to use, especially now that it's grown, I'm not necessarily going to use bobby pins. So I'm just going to do this, and then I'll fix it under the puff holder. Okay, you roll it nicely so that it looks nice on the side. Someone should see something like a straw of hair moving on, or a rolled piece of hair. So I'm just going to remove it again and rehold the hair so that it's easier and much more tighter, because I wasn't feeling so tight. But then also you can always add bobby pins, because this is a bit difficult for people who don't have that long hair. So you can see how it looks. Okay. Hope you guys like this front look. Okay. Now this, you can see my face is a bit lifted. This looks to be a bit lifted and this is a bit down. This is what I would ideally love. So after this, I'm going to fold my hair into a bun. So I'm going to, because it's easy, and I'm also going to show you how to use a bun holder. Okay, so after splitting the hair, let me just, after splitting the hair like this, so guys, I have finished that. And now if you have hair accessory, if you're going for a party, you can put those tiny pins around here and then here, and then you can put other are they called styling pins, the pins that brides put on, tiny pins, so you can place them all over the bun, in the middle of the bun, or you can just be as plain as me, guys. Do I look nice? So you guys can see, I hope you like the bun. You see, I didn't add anything like a bun holder, and it's really firm. And so now I'm going to show you how to use this. This is actually one of the easiest ways. I don't know why I don't opt for it anyway, just because I don't like artificial stuff in my hair. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to put it in here. So I'm going to remove, I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn and show you. So I've said it before, I do not like gelling my hair, so I'm not going to gel. Guys, let me put on my glasses, I need to see well. So how do I look, guys? So you can wear this hairstyle to class, you can wear it to work, you can wear it to a party, and I really wanted to show it to you guys. And I also wanted to show you how my hair has grown, like what I would expect or what would come out when you do your protective hairstyle for about 3 weeks and above. Your hair will grow, and also if you keep maintaining it. So guys, I hope you like this hairstyle. Okay, please don't forget to like this video, hit the like bar, please. If you like it, please do make sure you hit the like bar and put a thumbs up for it. Yeah, oh wait, those are the same. Okay, put a thumbs up for it if you like this video. But I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and I'll be back here with new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So always hit your notification bar and make sure you leave it on so that you're able to get my new videos. So I hope you liked this video, and put a thumbs up for it if you liked it, and follow me on my social media platforms, guys. There is something big coming up, so do make sure you follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. So love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.